Donkeys, there they are. They are so cute. So we figured we'd come in here, take a quick look at the rest of the booth, because the pictures and everything are so cute. We've got different pictures. We've got some wood bowls. We also have potpourri. And I'll tell you what, it smells amazing. Got cinnamon sticks. Very nice. Pictures. Look, there's another donkey. Little girl and a cow. Oh, we got more donkeys. Oh, look at that little cow. He's looking out the window. He says, moo. So this is just one feature that we're going to be doing. Doing a little more in-depth looks at the different booths within the different places that we're traveling to and the different places we're featuring. So I hope you like these. And if you see it and you have a business that you would like focused on HCO and more, get a hold of me and let me know. Just throw it in the comments and I'll be in contact with you. All right, have a great day. And we'll see you all real soon at the Berlin Antique Mall, at Snoopers, lots of different places, downtown Berlin, also the showcase. They're all coming soon. We're going to do in-depth on the different booths. It's going to be a continuing thing, so make sure you jump on, like, share, and absolutely throw in a comment of different things that you'd like to see, because I'm having a blast. Let's check all this out together. We could all be stars. See you soon. Welcome to HCO and more. HCO stands for Holmes County, Ohio. That's your connection to Amish country. Be sure to like and subscribe.